All right, we forgot to record this part, but this pilot bearing right here, uh, a lot of people go down and they buy a pilot bearing puller or rent one or whatever, or they make something, some type of puller. But I'm gonna tell you what we did here. This right here is a hamburger bun. About one hamburger bun, and what I did was is I started just shoving bread that you eat in this hole right here, and I got a bolt and I ground it down to where it would just fit in there, and I filled it up with bread, and I kept tamping it down in there. You can see where I hit it, and it's just the like hydraulic pressure behind it. It pushed that bearing, uh, that press bearing, right straight out, just simple as can be. And that's how you do it right there. Old school, uh, simple. Uh, one Probably a 0.001 cent piece of bread in there, you know.